Or you can use it as a straight barbecue. There's a high and low temperature barbecue over the grill, or set it up to smoke only. It's an automatic smoker. So Camp Chef 36-inch Woodwind Wi-Fi. This is an amazing smoker. I absolutely love it. Cooks everything I want to cook, from ribs to chicken to turkey, bacon. I made bacon in it. You're going to love this machine. It's a beautifully constructed. The Wi-Fi part allows you for 4, 6, or 12-hour cooks. You sit in your living room and keep an eye and adjust the temperature and smoke while it's cooking. This one has the optional pizza maker and a shelf, and it's got the Sidekick attachment for the grill, and there's the shelf. It's got a big wide barbecue, and you can put a tray above it also. And the Camp Chef Sidekick is a grill. You can cook on it, you can grill on it, you can put your pizza maker on top of it, and this machine just really does everything. As you can see, it's beautifully built. You've got hookups for temps, so you can plug it into your meat and watch your temperature. You can set everything right there. You can set your smoke, you can set your temperature, you can do it all on your phone or at the machine. It just solves so many problems. I absolutely love this machine. I cook on it every couple of weeks. There's your drain, there's your ashtray. Or you can use it as a straight barbecue. There's a high and low temperature barbecue over the grill, or set it up to smoke only. It's an automatic smoker. So